Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Josie. If you are new here, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I'm back at you guys with another hair tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing how I made this cute, beautiful, natural looking full sew in with no leave out. It can be styled as a middle part and also can be flipped over into a side part. So without my talking, let's just get right into the video. So this is the hair I'll be using. It's the Noble Miracle of a Gross product. As you can see, it's a packet hair. I got this hair from the beauty supply store, by the way. It says on the pack human hair quality, and it's 6 bundles per pack. Also, the length is 12 inches. So this curl pattern is called fumi curls. It's like 1 curls or flexi rod curls, and that's all 6 bundles. The bundles are not really big, but that's fine as long as I can get a full head with it. I'll go ahead and quickly separate the curls. These curls are really pretty and the hair really feels soft. And there are no tangles at all either. It separates easily. So that's how one bundle looks. It's folded in two here as in double wefted. And that's how I'll be sewing it in. Now you know that I already have my cornrows in. I'm doing a full sew in with no leave out. Hence I did 12 all back cornrow braids in total. And I have this one going across at the back. Also I have my needles pre-threaded. As I said earlier, I'll be double wefting, so first I'll sew the ends together so I don't miss a track when sewing it in. From here on is to sew the tracks in, and I'll be using my cornrows as a guide for the placement of the weaves. Now when I get here, I leave about half an inch space before I begin to sew in. I'll crochet that space later in the video. So the goal is to have a middle part and also be able to flip over to get a side part. The reason my cornrows are even, I have 6 cornrows on each side. This way I have equal amounts of hair on both sides. So I'm done sewing on to all the cornrows, but I still had 2 bundles and this piece left. At this point, you can leave it if you are not much of a volume person. The hair still looks full and there are no tracks showing. But I love me some volume, so I went ahead to sew the rest of the bundles in, mainly at the lower section because I want more volume at that area. Now that's how it looks with all 6 bundles used. You can really tell the difference in volume. So for the next step, which is probably the important part, we're going to be crocheting the pieces we left in the front and also the middle. To crochet, I first pass my crochet pin through like this, and then taking out a few hairs, I put it in the hook and then pass it through without creating any knots. I do this about 4 or 5 times for that area, making sure there is no space left before I move on to the next line. So I'm done with the side, and that's how you want it to look. You can really tell the difference from before. There's a side-by-side comparison. I'll go ahead and do the same for the middle section. It's looking all natural already. Now for the next step, I usually leave it at this point, but I thought to myself, maybe if I tease it up a bit, it will look a lot more natural. I did, and I wasn't disappointed. It really did create the illusion of it growing for my scalp. So I'll be using a brush this time around. I'll be brushing the hair in a circular motion, and you can notice the huge difference in the before and after. Like, it looks a lot more natural now. You can't tell me this hair is not growing for my scalp. That's a side by side of the before and after. I went ahead to do same for this side. Now moving on, this hair is so pretty. It's so natural from the texture to the curl pattern, and it's super bouncy. It can be worn with the curls fluffed out, which I'm doing here, or with the curls defined. Either way works. Also, there is no tangle at all, and there was no shedding. I did no cutting or shaping. It's pre-layered. Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer between the two, the fluffed out or the defined curls. As said earlier, this can be worn as a middle part, and also it's so easy to flip over to get a side part. It can be flipped over on both sides. Also, you can create different styles with it, like half up, half down. You can put it in a ponytail as well. The hair really looks full. I prefer wearing it in the fro. I know I did define the curls, but for the most part of me having this hair in, I wore it in the fro. Now to define the curls is pretty simple. I just sprayed in a generous amount of water, making sure the hair is soaking wet, and then I added in some mousse. This define the curls and also makes it last longer. Finally, I go in with some curling cream to hold everything together. From this point on, you can choose to use a diffuser to dry it up faster, but I left it to air dry. It really dried up faster than I expected. Like, you look at these curls, look how defined, pretty and bouncy it looks. So there you have it, guys. This is the final look. There's the hair all dried up. It looks so pretty. I really love how it turned out. So here's my final thoughts. This is an easy and effective protective style to do because your whole hair is protected. There is no leave out. There's a full sew in. Also, it's easy to maintain. I have this hair in for a month and a week, and for most part I wore it in the fro. It doesn't tangle at all. Again, it looks so natural and can be styled in different ways as well. And most importantly, you can do it yourself. And I got a lot of compliments on this hair. That's actually my second time doing this style on this channel. The first time was with long curly hair. I loved it, and you guys loved it as well. So I decided to double down on this look, this time with short curly hair. This curl pattern is called fumi curls, and the length I used is 12 inches. If you've not yet watched the one I did with the longer hair, I'll leave link to it here. You can go check it out. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Also, let me know which style you prefer, either the fro or the curls defined. Feel free to ask me any question I didn't include in this video, and I'll gladly answer them. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 3K subs, and I'm really grateful for that. And thank you guys so much. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.